But this one,
yeah, you just get past the tip.
this one I feel like you can walk in a lot easier.
Yeah, if you get down
the head's already out.
Yeah,
and then just coming forward. As I was saying here, like if you a lot of time we are going deeper with the like step.
Yeah.
Going deeper with the step to try and come around. But when this kind of happens, I'm going to add a bump.
Yeah.
And get the tip forward. Bump. Get the tip forward. But maybe I'm going to bump, get the tip forward, and not switch my stance.
Yeah, well that's what I just did.
And then
felt like driving.
On the next one,
yeah.
I could potentially use the angle better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that feels a lot simpler.
Same once again, pause the bottom half to then double up on the side.
Yeah.
Or can you double up on here that when you switch sides and you bounce, can I make it almost a triangle like that?
Because that's what I saw on you before. If I drive straight there, even though I haven't got here yet.
I've made the triangle to stop it. I've got 2 points, your arm and that. And then when you go back to the other side, I'm already ready and my foot's loaded.
Yeah.
So you need to break the rhythm. You now understand the theory of the entry, the dos manos, like close part.
Yeah.
But you're mirroring, and now it's like a psychological game where you're going to break the flow. You now have the flow. Now you're going to break the rhythm.
But that stepping with your back foot, that seems to be so much faster coming in.
Oh, like the stepping forward.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Well, even here, that's now technically the front foot, so now that's the deeper one.
Yeah.
So even when I get under here, I have to make sure that's stepping deep, which is what's letting you get to the tricep. But once again, we're not going out the 45, which is a normal Dorello. It's a lot narrower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And if you're not doing it, you can enter a lot easier behind it. But once again, you can still do like that,
a bit of a fake in and out,
and then go and I come through.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like you can walk in a lot more casually with this though.
You can walk in behind it.
Yeah, as long as they're not too thrusty. Some people are very like hand shots and coming around and going, all right.
We'll give them space.
Yeah, some people like.
Under. Yeah,
Nice.
Hands already. Yeah, it's getting that.
That's the thing, when all of a sudden someone goes under,
it's
just going, can I get 2 hands
drive
on
down.
that?
Well, it's the old grounding the tip.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
So like, if you lose control all of a sudden, so even if it feels like over the top, and you can just bounce off
and
like
get lower.
this. Sometimes you can just get 2 hands on this and just drive down. Not down.
Oh, down.
Yeah. See what I mean? Yeah. If you can get the right spot.
Yeah.
So occasionally when I'm ducking your shots, so like when you realize you're lower, when I come around here and you pull that side back, I can sometimes just go down on the wrist. So I lost the clamp. But when you pulled it off the clamp, I ended up on the forearm. If I pull it back off my forearm, it's on the bottom of my blade by furious. I go, oh, I can do this.
Okay.
And then once again, maybe that can let me get back in. And now I'm in a better position again.
Yeah.
I feel like you can rebuild the structure of a lot of it.
Yeah.
If you kind of trap them a little.
It's slower, but you can definitely see it more.
Yeah, exactly.
It's, yeah, it's interesting. The other just looks like it's
the knife is so fast, you can barely track it.
Even the machete,
is very whippy.
Yeah.
Like because it's on one arm a lot of the time.
Yeah.
You can whip and change direction, and especially if you're using that curved part at the bottom like Hunter, where you can really flick it around. It's hard to track with the eye sometimes.
Yeah.
This can be quite fast at the tip. If they're doing like some tricky stuff. But if you follow this lower section, it doesn't move that much.
No.
And like I said, I feel like you can read it way more because it's way bigger.
I can definitely see it.
Yeah.
It was just harder against the smaller stuff once that was in.
I'm like, at first I was like, if you just maintain the range, you're going to win this.
Yeah.
But the second this got to here,
I'm trying to get
quickly you can change, and you went, oh, I don't want to be here anymore.
That's not pleasant, no.
So it feels like just a bigger weapon would win.
Yeah.
But once again, they have their own advantages, and the shorter weapon is close. Like, Alright, we'll do a couple minutes and then we'll run off to class.
Thought I was around then.
I'm going like Katana.
Yeah.
No, I was just more testing if I could or not.
Yeah, no.
I actually thought I was just going to go.
Yeah.
Oh crap. I was being super annoying.
Yeah,
I was just saying, can I get it under? But I couldn't because you stayed
I
under.
was trying to move forward more,
Yeah.
but I had to drop lower again.
Yeah, it's still on this side, so
Yeah.
you're still going to put your head there.
Yeah, I've got to get
because if you did that, this wouldn't
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was
you're
more,
behind it a bit
I'm
more.
thinking, oh, drive.
But that is still, what you do with the feet and the arms is right, you just have to roll around a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a bit of a dick move to do as well.
Yeah.
I wouldn't usually do that, it's more of a test.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, you got my neck.
Yeah.
You got your hand first, I think.
Yeah, it was a clash.
Yeah. Oh no, I mean, like, I think I took all your fingers off on the first one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like the first one was like...
Oh. Well, that's it.
Yeah. So like, that's not a clash.
No, that's dead.
Yeah, but you got my neck right afterwards. But I stopped because I got your fingers.
Yes.
I gotta stop stopping.
Yeah.
I gotta take your fingers off and then defensively keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not getting something.
I'm getting, your arms are coming up.
Yeah.
It's the bumps.
Yeah.
As you're bumping, your arms are coming
Yeah,
out.
I'm feeling them up here.
So
I'm
like,
trying
do a
to...
bump, but I'm trying to get the tip back off the bump. Yeah, so,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I just feel like I'm in the air trying to come around.
And if you do that and then try to come around that way,
Yeah.
your arms are open on
Yeah,
both
they're
sides.
already dropping.
So now it almost doesn't matter. I could fake one side, double up. I have an
Yeah.
option on both sides.
Right.
So I'm like, that's it. The
Okay.
bump is good if you can bump me off balance. But if I just get lower and you bump,
Yeah.
it doesn't actually do much.
Yeah.
And then, exactly.
Okay.
And
That's better.
once again, use mostly this low section.
Yeah.
So like, it feels like you're mostly fighting with a short knife or like machete.
Yeah.
I know it's long as hell, but now we're this close, just pretend you had
Yeah,
a short
it's
one.
only a short
Because if
weapon.
you're here,
Oh, I can feel it.
I will
Yeah, yeah.
start to get you. And even here, it lets me get deeper.
Right.
And if I'm here, I'm too shallow to
Yeah.
get to it. So I'm like, if I can, yeah. I try to get you. Yeah, well, be careful, I'm behind yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but already,
Yeah, that
it feels way stronger.
Yeah.
Even that one we were doing before where I'm here, see
Yeah.
once again, if you're in that low section, it's so strong there.
Now, once again, I've got to get under this.
Yeah, exactly.
And then I'm
And once
actually-
again, because I'm over the top, that's open.
Yeah, come around.
And if you can get even just like a little bit in, I'm fucked now.
Yeah.
And now the only thing you have to worry about is me coming around with this. If you can get that on my wrist,
Yeah.
well, I can't do anything.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Yeah, once again, I didn't. We were here.
You're not getting-
And I tried to get
Yeah,
the tip
you're
around.
trying to go around, and as you're going around, I can
Yeah.
make it collapse almost.
Because I'm thinking,
Yeah.
point the tip towards
And
me.
then you maybe drive with your feet to like
Yeah.
make me not get this, but as you are, it's flaring.
Yeah.
So if I go here and you drive up,
Oh, yeah.
it's now making me get what I wanted. So
Because that's
yeah.
that principle. I'm trying to
Yeah.
bring the tip to you,
Yeah, yeah.
but it's putting me in a
But
worse position.
in that once the frame's there, it's starting to collapse because you went around.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
what was the right idea is now detrimental. It's the same as the exit's usually good with the footwork till you make the tan turn. Now it's detrimental.
Yeah.
Because you're ticking these off.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, like once again, you're using that low section, you're passing it over.
Yeah.
And when that happens, I'm screwed. You went straight on my wrist and controlled me.
That felt great as soon as I kept back.
Nice.
I was just pushing up with the bumps.
Yeah, and honestly, the bump, if they're not expecting it, the bumps work.
Yeah.
Because if you just do it, and I'm
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
I can do two, and
Yeah,
you've
you just
exposed
go
that now.
straight under.
But if you go to do that bump, and they just lower like
Yeah,
that,
you just go
I
harder.
stop doing it. Because I go, oh, that's not going
They
to
know
work.
what they're
And
doing.
then I'll do a couple of like retracting ones,
Yeah.
and then maybe a bump.
Yeah.
Because once again, then they go, oh, he's not bumping anymore. And as they think that, I
Right,
do the
yeah.
bump again.
Okay.
Yeah. Cheers,
All right,
man.
mate. Cheers. Thank you.
Legend. So interesting.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of fun with all the different ranges. Yeah, we get it. Calm down, phone. Nice.